In this video, we will introduce users to Zotero, a common reference management tool, discuss how to save resources to Zotero, as well as generating in-text and works cited bibliographic entries. And finally, if you have not downloaded Zotero, please pause this video and go to zotero.org and follow the directions provided for installation. What is Zotero and what can it do? Zotero is a free tool that helps you collect, organize, cite, and share research resources. Many librarians recommend this tool because it is free and easy to use. Like other reference management tools, such as EndNote, these types of citation managers can assist researchers with managing your citations and references, housing various resources and materials like PDFs or websites, formatting and creating citations and bibliographic entries across all style conventions, sharing your library to collaborate with others, as well as saving you time and frustration when wrangling research resources. Now, let's take a look at some of the components of Zotero. There are three basic components of Zotero. The offline app. This is the main element of Zotero. Downloaded to your computer. This app lives locally on your device. All resources, aka your library, uploaded to Zotero will be saved in this app. The browser extension. This promotes ease of use and allows users to easily capture and archive resources in your Zotero library with one click. And finally, a library web account, which will allow you to sync your Zotero libraries locally and access them online. Web accounts are not required, but recommended. Now let's take a look at Zotero's interface. Moving from left to right, there are three panels. The Your Library panel, composed of various folders users create and label, and use to store and organize works. When clicking on each folder, the next pane, the Item panel, will allow users to see resources housed within each folder. And finally, clicking on a resource will populate the third pane, which provides basic information about resources in your library, including author, publication information, journal, date, etc. Now, let's discuss some basic features. Collections and folders. Every entry added to a Zotero library appears under the My Library panel. Users can create folders, referred to here as collections, and organize each reference into specific collections or sub-collections of their choosing. We recommend thinking intentionally about your organizational structure as it relates to the work that you are engaged in. To create a folder, simply click on the plus button at the top left of the panel, and users will be given the option to name each folder they create. To create subfolders, right-click on a folder and choose Create Sub. Now that we've set up some folders, let's chat about adding some resources. There are multiple ways to add references to your library, and we'll cover a few. Add from the browser with Zotero Connector, drag and drop documents, or manual entry. The connector is a browser extension that automatically captures citation information. Simply click on the browser extension. You can have a single reference, like a journal, article, or web page, or multiple items at a time if the connector recognizes multiple items on a page, like a list of articles from a search on Google Scholar. Drag and drop doc. Zotero supports drag and drop actions and will create a record for you. Simply drag a PDF from your desktop into the Zotero item list pane. And finally, let's create some bibliographic entries. Zotero has two options. Highlight the reference to include, drag and drop into the word processor, or select the items, right-click, create bibliography, choose preferred style convention, choose the export format, copy to clipboard, paste into the text editor of your choice. You can also highlight multiple resources and generate a works cited page, which Zotero will automatically format, justify, and alphabetize. Isn't that beautiful? And that's some of the basics for Zotero. If you need further assistance, please contact the library, review some of the troubleshooting materials, or go to zotero.org for insights. Thanks for stopping by.